Hey there, ever felt like your dishwasher has a mind of its own? 1 minute it's cleaning away, and the next it's like it decided to take a vacation. But don't worry, resetting your GED dishwasher is easier than you think. Whether you have a front control model or a fancy top control one, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and get that dishwasher back to work. First up, let's do a soft reset using the control panel. This method works for both front control and top control models. Make sure your dishwasher is powered on. Trust me, I've made the mistake of not checking this simple step. Press and hold the start reset button for about 3 seconds. This should cancel the current cycle and start the reset process. It's like giving your dishwasher a quick nap. After pressing the start reset button, wait about 2 minutes for the dishwasher to drain any remaining water. The light on the control panel may blink during this process. Once the light stops blinking, you can start a new cycle by pressing the start button. If the soft reset didn't work, let's try a hard reset. This method works for almost all GE dishwasher models. Make sure the dishwasher is turned off. A simple step, but crucial. If you can access the power cord, unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet. If you cannot unplug the dishwasher, turn off the power from your home circuit breaker panel. Locate the breaker that controls the dishwasher and switch it off. Leave the power off for at least 30 seconds to 10 minutes. This allows the internal components to reset. Think of it as giving your dishwasher a mini vacation. Reconnect the dishwasher to the power outlet or switch the circuit breaker back on. Turn on the dishwasher and start a new cycle to ensure it is functioning properly. Fingers crossed. Next up, the kickplate reset switch. This method is for older models and some newer models in the GE Profile TM series. Some models have a reset switch or button behind the kickplate at the bottom of the dishwasher. Remove the kickplate by unscrewing the screws. Press the reset switch or button. It's like hitting the refresh button on your computer. Screw the kickplate back into place. And you're done. And there you have it. Whether you're doing a soft reset, a hard reset, or using the kickplate switch, these steps should help you get your GE dishwasher back on track. Happy dishwashing.